Back in spring, we also demonstrated how to do our hair. And this week, we are diving a little bit more extensively into different options. Throughout this week, we're actually going to discuss a little bit more about different types of parts you could have and a different style of bun that is pretty common. We're going to talk about a couple of different braids and some French twists and the scary one, back combing. We'll also talk about how to clean up our hair supplies as well at the end of the week. I will see you tomorrow as we start talking about the different types of parts that we can do with our hair. I will see you then.